Yes, sir.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. So, yesterday we completed the inheritance concept, right? So, the types of inheritance and is a relationship, has a relationship, aggregation, compositions. So, all the concept we learned, right? So, now, so we will go for other topics now. Okay. So, now we'll discuss first what is method signature. Once method signature is completed, we will go for polymorphism. Okay. Method signature. Method signature in Java. I think already we discussed it, right? Method signature. Okay. So let me discuss one more time here. Okay. So what is method signature, guys? Okay. In Java, method signature consists of name of the method followed by argument types. Okay. So here, let me take one example. So here, I'm writing one method, guys. Okay. So which method? Public void int return type. Let me take some method. Okay. So which method you want me to take? Let me take M1 method. Fine. This is what int arguments A and float arguments, something called F or B. Fine. So this is the method. Okay. Here, what is the method signature, you know? So here you tell me what is public here? Access modifier, right? Come on, guys, please respond. What is void here? Return type. What is, yeah. So, sorry. Again, I'm putting enter. Yeah. Void is what, guys? Return type, right? So what is M1 here? Method name.
Method name.
So int A, float B, what are these? Argument types.
Argument.
Right? Argument types. So this is what completely method. So here, what is the method signature? Method, what is the method signature? Already you know. So in Java, method signature consists of name of the method followed by argument types. Right? So name of the method means M1 followed by argument types. So this is called what, guys? Method signature. This is called what? Method signature. Okay. See, method name in Java, method signature is nothing but what, guys? Method name followed by argument types. Okay. In Java, method signature is nothing but name of the method followed by argument types is called what, guys? Method signature. Understand? So for method signature, return type will not be considered, guys. And access modifiers also will not be considered. Okay. So now, if you take this one, this is what, guys? Complete method. What this is what, guys? Method prototype. Understand? See, method signature is different. Method prototype is different. Method prototype. For the method prototype, even return type also will be, we are going to be considered. Understand? For method signature, method name and argument types. Clear, everyone? Return type is not part of the method signature, guys. Okay, so let me write here few point, those that point. In Java, okay, in Java, method signature is nothing but, okay, name of the method followed by argument types. Argument types. Okay, so now in Java, return type is not part of not part of method signature, right? Clear? No. No. Okay, so no. So always compiler will use this method signature, okay, to resolve the method calls, guys. I mean, compiler will always use method signature while resolving method calls. Understand? So we have so many, I mean, in Java class, we may have many methods, right? How the compiler will resolve these method calls? By using method signature. Understand? Clear, everyone? So compiler will use what? Method signature to resolve what, guys? Method calls. Hope you people clear, right? So, so within a class, two methods with the same signature is allowed or not? Within a class, two methods with the same signature, is it possible or not?
Not allowed, sir.
Okay, not allowed. So within a Java class, two methods with the same signature is not allowed. Otherwise, what we will get, guys? Compile time error. Okay. In Java class or else in Java class, okay, two methods with same signature is not allowed. Otherwise, we will get what? Compile time error. Clear? What is method signature means, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts here? No. So let me write one small example. Then we will close this topic. Okay. So here I'm writing one example. So here, okay. So class demo I'm taking. In the class demo, okay. Here what I'm doing, public void, okay. Public void. Let me take, well, someone display method. Okay, I'm taking some display method, guys. Right. So public void display method. This is what? Int argument type. Okay. Public void display method. This is int argument type. That's system.out.println. Okay. Void written type method. Something, right? Okay. So now I'm taking one more method. Public int okay display here int x. Fine. So system.out.println now int return type method. Fine. So now, okay. So here what we need to return something, right? This is int type, right? I'm returning something called 101. Clear? So in this class, okay. So now, now you tell me I'm creating an object of demo class. Okay. Here I'm creating object of demo class, guys. Okay, where public static void main method. Okay, I mean the public static void main method. I'm creating object of what, guys? Demo class. Okay, so demo d is equal to new demo. Okay, now d dot the display method something. Okay, tell me, is it a valid? What is the output? If it is a valid, then what is the output? Understand? So you all else, let me write here what? PSVM, public static void main method, string args. Fine. So this is the main public method, main method. This is the class closing. Now tell me, is it valid or invalid? Tell me, guys. Come on. So when I'm asking you, you guys are not responding. That's what we are
Invalid.
wasting time.
Invalid.
Invalid. Why invalid?
Same signature.
Same signature. Yes, Saitej, you are correct. Good. See, so that's what now we discussed, right? In Java, okay.
Both methods.
See here in the point. In Java class, two methods with the same signature is not allowed. Otherwise, we will get compile time error, right? In Java class, two methods with same signature is not allowed. See here, public void display method. Signature means what, guys? Method name followed by argument types. Okay, return type is not part of signature, guys. So that's what we discussed, right? In Java, return type is not part of method signature. Method signature is nothing but what? Method name followed by argument types, right? So now you see here in this class, public void display int a. So display, what is the method name? Display. What is the argument types here? Int. Okay. So now if you see the same method, what is the method name here? Display. And what is the argument type? Int. So now this method signature and this method signature same, right? Because
Yes,
here
sir.
what? Return type you are not going to consider as part of method signature. Okay. So method signature means what? Method name and argument types. Now if you see same method signature, right? This one also same method signature. So this one also same method signature. In Java class, two methods with same signature is not allowed, right? So that's what we will get, guys. Compile time error we will get. Okay. Compile time error we will get, guys. What is the compile time error we will get? Display int. Okay. So this is the method, right? Display. Okay. Int is already defined in which class? Demo. Demo class, right? Demo. So this is the compile time error we will get, guys. Display int is already defined in demo. Okay. Clear? Everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
So now, okay, practically we will see this one. This where we are writing Java classes. CC, right? Training, I think, right? So no, here. So now here, let me create one folder. Okay. So this is what is method signature. Let me write polymorphism. Okay. Fine. So now, let me open plus. Okay, so here Java, right? Language Java only, right? Java, right? No, tell me class. Which class, guys? Right?
Demo.
So in class demo, what we have? I'm going to create two methods, right? Public void
Void display
Display.
So what is the return type it is taking?
int a.
Int a.
Int.
Okay. So here, just I'm writing system dot out dot println. Okay. So here, just I'm typing int, sorry, void, right?
Void return type.
Void return type. Return type method. Something I'm writing. Okay, fine. So now this is the one method. I'm taking one more method called public. Now return type is int here.
Int.
The same method name with the same argument type. Okay. So now in this method, what I'm doing, system dot, okay, out dot println of. So what I'm typing here,
Int
int
return type method.
return type method. Fine. So here I'm taking
Returning the value.
public, yeah, I will return public static void main method. Okay. So string args. Okay. So here what I'm doing, demo d equals to new demo, creating object of demo class. And after that, by using this, I'm calling what, guys? Display method. Fine. So now here need to return something, right? Something return 101. Fine. So this
Display
is
method need to pass argument.
yeah, we'll pass. So I'm passing some value. Fine. So now I'm saving this file. File save as. Okay. In Java, no, right? Under C. Polymorphism. Okay. So here what?
Method.
Method signature. Okay. File name, right? So here, let me write method signature. Method signature. Okay. So I'm saving. So finally, here, under here only I'm saving, right? Polymorphism. So here, Java C. Tell me, Java C file name dot Java, right? What is the file name? Method signature, right?
Methods.
M capital or small here? Which one I have given?
Capitals.
Capital.
Capital, na? Okay. Method signature dot Java. See what it is the compile timer it is saying. Method display in already defined in class demo. Understand? Public int display in text. What is the compile time error we are going to see here? We are seeing now. Method display int is already defined in class demo. Why? Here we are trying to add two methods with same signature in Java class. It is not allowed, right? Clear?
Yes.
Fine. Okay. So now we will go to next one, guys. Understand, right? What is method signature? Everyone?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So now we will go to next topic, guys. What is the next topic? Polymorphism. Okay. Polymorphism. Spelling correct? Polymorphism. Spelling correct or not, right? This one, no? Okay, fine. So polymorphism. Okay. Fine, guys. So what is polymorphism, guys? Okay. If you see the word called polymorphism, it's very, 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 very important, guys. Okay. Please listen carefully. Polymorphism, very, very important. Okay. Without knowing polymorphism, you cannot write even single Java program also. Fine. Now, see here, polymorphism, right? MORPHISM. Now, if you see the word polymorphism, okay. If you see the word polymorphism, see poly means what, guys? Many. Poly means what, guys? Many. Understand? So morphism means what, guys? What is the meaning of morphism? Okay, forms. Understand? Clear? So many forms. What is the polymorphism meaning, guys? Many forms. Understand? Polymorphism means nothing but many forms. Fine. So now, if you see here, okay. So let me take one real world example. What is polymorphism means? Okay. Now here we are considering water. Okay. We are considering water. Water. Okay. So we will see different forms of water. So what are those, guys? Okay. Water. How many forms we can see? Water. Water, liquid, right? And okay. And solid, right? And even gas form also. Understand? See, water can be liquid form, even solid form, even gas form. Understand? So here we see water. Water is one thing, but here how many forms? Many forms. We can represent many forms. Understand? Water can be liquid, can be solid, can be gas. Clear, everyone? In the same way, if you see, okay, some shapes. Okay, so let me write some shapes, guys. Okay, shapes. So shapes, how many ways we can represent shapes? Okay, so no. Here. Shapes. Let me write a little bit of okay, shapes. Okay, now if you see the shapes, shapes means what? It can be
Circle.
okay, it can be, this is what? Rectangle, right? And this is what? Square,
Right.
right? And this is what, guys?
Circle.
Circle. And this is what? Where is triangle? This is what, guys? Triangle. Right? See how many ways we can represent shapes. Okay, see these many ways we can represent shapes, right? This is what? Many forms. Understand? Shapes we can represent in many forms. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Understand,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So now if you take, okay, let me take one more example. Sounds can be represented in many forms, guys. So let's suppose if you take, okay, car sound is car horn, right? Car horn is something different. Okay, am I right or wrong? Now if you take, okay, train horn is something different. Okay, but here what? All are sound only, but you can see different forms, right? Now lorry or bus, lorry horn can be something different. Understand? But all these are what? Making noise only, sounds only, but different forms. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And if you want, you can take for sounds also in another way. So now, see, so sounds. Okay. So now, if you see dog or cat, okay. So dog making sound in different way, right? Dog is what it is doing? Barking, right? Right, barking. So now in the same way, if you see lion
Roar.
also making sound only, but it is roar, right? Understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but here what? Sound is, we can see different forms. That is what, guys? Okay, polymorphism. This is what? A real world example. Understand? Clear, everyone? Okay. Now coming to our technology, our Java. Okay. Now, so in Java, okay, polymorphism. Okay. So methods, we are writing methods, right? Okay. So now we can write different forms of methods. In Java class, what we are going to write? Methods we are going to write, right? So we will see many forms of the methods. Many forms of the methods. Okay, here how the polymorphism we are going to achieve through methods. Okay, we are going to achieve polymorphism. How? By writing different method forms. Only one method, but we can see what different forms of method and many forms. We can represent one method in what? Many forms. Clear?
Exactly.
Yes, sir.
So this is what case, I mean, in Java, okay, by using method representing many forms of that method, we can achieve what? Polymorphism. Clear? No, we'll see. So now, polymorphism, okay? Polymorphism. What is this one, the spelling of polymorphism? PHISM. Fine. So now, polymorphism, right? So how many types of polymorphism we have in Java? Okay, two types of polymorphism we have, guys. Understand? So polymorphism means what? First of all, many forms, right? Many forms. Fine. Many forms. How can we represent polymorphism in Java? By using method representing, okay, many method forms. Fine. So now in Java, how many types of polymorphism we have? Two types of polymorphism we have. Okay. So one is what, guys? The first one is, okay, compile time polymorphism.
Okay.
Compile time polymorphism. Okay, what is the first one? Compile time polymorphism. So here, what is the second one, guys? Runtime polymorphism. Runtime polymorphism. Okay, fine. So now, compile time polymorphism is also nothing but what? Static. Huh? Okay, static polymorphism. Understand? Okay. What? Sorry, guys. Compile time polymorphism is also nothing but what, guys? Static polymorphism. Okay. So runtime polymorphism is also nothing but what? Dynamic polymorphism. Okay. So dynamic polymorphism. Okay. So here, compile time polymorphism. Okay. By using method overloading. Okay. By using method overloading, we can achieve what? Okay. Compile time polymorphism. Okay. By using method overloading, we can achieve compile time polymorphism. Clear? Here. By using method overriding, okay, we can achieve what? Runtime polymorphism. Understand? Okay.
Yes.
Here, by using method overloading concept, we can achieve compile time polymorphism. Here what? By using method overriding concept, we can achieve runtime polymorphism. Clear, everyone?
Exactly.
Yes, sir.
Okay. No. Good. Okay. So now compile time polymorphism. Okay. Okay. So here what? Compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. Okay, now we will see about compile time morphism. Here, method resolution will taken care by what? Compiler. Here, method resolution will always taken care by what? Runtime. I mean, runtime means what? JVM. Understand? Let me write that point also. So now here, here what? Okay, fine. Okay, we will write it, guys. Understand what is how many types of polymorphism we have? Two types of polymorphism. Okay, one is compile time polymorphism. Second one is what? Runtime polymorphism.
Tempo.
Compile time polymorphism. We also, we can call it is what? Static. Okay, polymorphism. Runtime polymorphism is also nothing but what? Dynamic polymorphism. Okay. Here, by using method overloading concept, we can achieve what? Compile time morphism. By using method overriding concept, we can achieve what, guys? Runtime polymorphism. Clear, everyone? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will see what is overloading and what is overriding. Right? Understand? So overloading means what? Compile time polymorphism. Overriding means what? Runtime polymorphism.
Type polymorphism.
Right? So now we will see first one is what, guys? Overloading. Okay. And the second one is what? Overriding.
Overriding.
Right? First one is overloading. The second one is overriding. Fine. So no. Okay. No. Overloading. Okay. So overloading means here. Okay. The first point. Fine. So the first point. Okay. Now here method names. Method names. Okay. Method name should be same. Understand, guys? Method names should be same, guys.
Yeah.
Okay. So here also method name should be same. Already we discussed, right? In Java, polymorphism, how can we achieve? By writing multiple forms of methods, right? So that's what, here what? Method name should be same, overloading. Overriding also method name should be same. Clear? Same method names. Next one. So what is the second point we need to remember? Okay.
Yeah.
So now,
Class.
sorry,
Written
Class
types.
name.
class name. What, Vignesh?
Then next one. Class
Ah.
name. The same.
Class name should be same.
Yeah, method overloading.
No. So now the methods, okay, the method names should be same, right? Method names. I mean what? We are going to write what? In overloading means in Java class, we are going to write overloaded methods, right? So where we are going to write in overloading? Okay, in Java class. In Java class. Understand? Hello?
Yeah.
Same class.
Yes.
Okay. Or else in Java class, or else you can write what? Same class. Okay. Same class. So overloading. Overloading means what? We are going to write multiple overloaded methods. Where we are going to write within single class. Understand? I mean same Java class. In Java class. Okay. Same class. So now here we are going to write overriding methods. Where we are writing within the same Java class or different?
Different class.
Different classes. Understand?
Different classes.
Okay. So different classes. So different classes means what? Parent and child
Parent class
classes.
and child class.
Okay. Parent and child classes. Fine. Now here. Okay. Now here. So next, different argument types. Different argument types. Understand? Different argument types. Here what we are taking? Different argument types. See, method name should be same. All the methods, all the overloading methods, where we are going to write within the class,
Java.
within the same Java class. Understand? And different argument types. So now, different argument types means what? How to consider in different argument types? First one you have to consider, okay? The first point in different argument types, the first point is what, guys? Number of arguments. Number of arguments. Okay. The first one is number of arguments. The second point, what we need to consider, sequence of arguments. Sequence of arguments. Okay. The next one, the third one is what, guys?
Return time.
Okay. Types of arguments. Types of arguments. Understand? So different argument types. Here what? Number of arguments, sequence of arguments, types of arguments. Okay? Now, so don't worry, we will see. Okay? Now, here what? Here also in the overriding also, same, here what? Different argument types. But here what? Same argument types.
Argument.
Same argument types. Okay? Same argument types only we are taking, guys. All the overriding methods. See, for all the overriding methods, so what type of arguments we are taking? Same argument types. Okay? So now, see, the same argument types means what? The first one. Number of, okay, number of arguments. Okay, number of arguments also same. Number of arguments also same. The second one is what?
Sequence of arguments.
Okay. Next. Sequence of arguments also same. Okay. The next one, types of arguments also same. Types of arguments also same. Okay. Now, in addition to this overloading, for overriding, we have one more point. So what is that point? Okay. By using EJ relationship. By using EJ relationship. Okay. By using EJ relationship means what? Extends keyword. Extends keyword. Okay. We can represent what? Overriding.
Overriding.
Okay. So these are the points we have to consider. Okay. Don't worry, I will explain each and every point, guys. Clear? So now overloading and overriding. So now overloading. So in the overloading, what we have to do first of all, okay, the methods which are participated in overloading, all the methods should have same name. Clear the first point?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Overloading. Overloading means what, guys? The methods which are participated in overloading, all the methods should have what? Same name. Clear? Now, the second point. So all these overloaded methods, where we are going to write? So overloading methods means what? Where we are going to write? The same Java class. Understand? We are not going to write parent and child classes, guys. Overloading means all the overloading methods where we are going to write within the same Java class. Clear? The second point?
Yes.
Okay. Now, third one. So now we are writing the overloaded methods, right? Overloaded methods what? What is the overloaded methods? What is the overloaded methods, guys? Two methods are said to be overloaded if and only if both having the same name but different arguments. That is what overloaded methods. Right? What is overloaded methods? How can you say two methods are overloaded methods? Those two methods have same method name but different argument types. Okay. Here different argument types means what? How can you say different arguments means either number of arguments also you can consider. Let's suppose I have a, okay, we will see guys, we will see, okay. Number of arguments. In the first method, maybe 3 arguments we have. In the second method, we have 2 arguments. That is what number of arguments, okay. Like consideration of number of arguments. The second consideration is what? Sequence of arguments. Sequence of arguments. The first method might be int and float. Okay. The second method might be float and int. So now the sequence of arguments are different, right?
Yes.
That one also you can consider what? Different argument types. Am I right or wrong?
Yeah, right.
So now, what is the third point here? Types of arguments, right? You can represent what? Types of, you can consider what? Types of arguments also. So types of arguments means what? The first method may be int type. Okay. The second method may be string type. So now, with the same name, the methods are same. But here what? Arguments are different. See here, the third point. I'm talking about third point, guys. Different argument types, right? So different argument types means what? You can consider the first one, number of arguments also. If the, okay, if any difference between number of arguments for these 2 methods also we can consider. Okay, different argument types only. Next, what is the second consideration point here? Sequence of arguments also we can consider. Okay, right. What is the third point here? Types of arguments also we can consider. Clear, everyone? But now coming to overriding means what? In overriding also, how can you say 2 methods set to be overriding, guys? Right? Method names should be same. Method names here also same method names. But here what? These methods where we are writing 2 different classes. Understand? One method is writing under parent class. One method is writing under child class. But here methods are what? Same method names. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next one. So here same argument types. See here. Here what? Same argument types. Even argument types also same. Where coming to overriding. But in overloading what? Argument types are different.
Yes.
But coming to overriding what? Argument types are same. Right? So argument, same argument types means what? So argument types means what? We can consider the last 3 points. What is first one? Number of arguments also same here. Okay. Number of arguments also same. And sequence of arguments also should be same. And types of arguments also should be same. But here what? Different. Right? Number of arguments also different. Sequence of arguments also different. Types of arguments also different here. Okay. So let me write different, right? Okay, anyway, we are writing, right? Different argument type, same argument types. Here different means what? Number of arguments different. Sequence of arguments also different. Types of arguments also different. But here coming to here what? Same argument types. Number of arguments also same. Sequence of arguments also same. And types of arguments also same. Hope you people clear. Okay?
Yes, sir.
High level. Okay, I will show you programmatically. Don't worry. Fine. Okay, guys. So this is what at high level, what is overloading and what is overriding. Okay. Now we will see first of all what is overloading. Okay. Now I'm writing a class, guys. Here I'm writing a one class. Okay. So now class example I'm taking. Understand, guys? So at a high level, what is polymorphism? How many types of polymorphism we have, right? So now compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism, right? By using overloading, right? Here, see, method overloading. By using method overloading, we can achieve what? Compile time polymorphism. By using method overriding, we can achieve what? Runtime polymorphism. Now, what is overloading and what is overriding, right? So now overloading is what? Overriding is what? At high level, already we see, right? Now, let me explain you in programmatically. So I'm taking one class, guys. Okay. So which class? Okay. Let me take test class. Some class I'm taking. Right. So now Overloading methods is nothing but what, guys? Already we discussed. Overloading constructors already we see, right? What is overloading constructors? You can say two classes having to, overloaded means what, guys? All the constructors. How can you say two constructors had to be overloaded?
The different
Method
argument.
names
The
also
constructor
different.
name should be same and different
Arguments.
argument types. Yeah. If any constructors which are having same constructor names and different argument types, right? Then you can say those constructors can be overloaded constructors. Right, set to be overloaded constructors. In the same way, what is method overloading means what? How can you say two methods are overloaded? So we can say two methods are overloaded when we can say if the methods names are same and different argument types. If methods names are same, okay, with different argument types, then those methods can be said what? Overloading methods. Okay, two methods are said to be overloaded when, guys, if both having the same name but different arguments, right? So let me write that point. Okay, let me write here above overloading, right? Now we are discussing. Fine. So now let me write here overloading. So first topic what we are discussing? Overloading, right?
Yes, sir.
So now overloading topic. So now for overloading, what is the first point we need to understand here? Two methods in Java. Okay. In Java, okay, two methods are said to be okay overloaded. Okay, two methods should to be overloaded if and only if, tell me,
Method names are
both having
same method names.
Same method name. Okay, method name, but different argument types. Different argument types. Fine. So then only we can say what those two methods are overloaded methods. Clear, guys? Hello. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I'm taking one example here. Okay, class test. So in the class test, so overloaded methods where we can write within the same class, right? So now I'm taking public void, okay, public void, display method. Okay, see public void display method I'm writing. Okay, guys, public void display method I'm writing, right? So now let me write here. This is what something called one method. Okay, display method. Fine. So now I'm writing one more method. Overloaded method means where we can write within the same class, right? Display method. Okay. So now, tell me, do you see any issue here? These are overloaded methods or not?
No, sir.
Right. This is what? Same methods, two methods with having same signature. Then we will get what? Compile time error. Okay. Now, see now here, see overloading. Method name should be same. So I am writing what? Method names, display and display. Method name should be same, right?
Yes.
Now these two methods were the first point is passed, right? Method name should be same in same Java class, right? In same Java class only I'm writing. Fine. The second method, second point also passed. Now see different argument types. Okay, different argument types. Here, what is the problem? Same argument types. Here also zero argument type. Here also zero argument type. Understand? That's what here we are getting compile time error. Already method display already been defined. So that's what the already previous class we see, right? I mean previous what do you call method signature here. Compile time error is already defined in demo class, right? So these are what? Same method signature methods, right? So we cannot allow two methods with same signature in Java class, right? But here what? Overloaded methods means what? Same method name and all the methods we have to define in the same Java class. But when it comes to argument, we have to take what? Different arguments. Understand? Hello? Tell me
Yes.
guys. Now
Yeah.
here I'm taking index. Okay? Now I'm taking what? Index. Then you can happily say these two methods are what? Overloaded methods.
All
Understand? System.out.println. System.out.println of this is what? Okay. Zero argument. Zero arg method. Zero arg method. Fine. So this one what guys?
single argument.
System.out.println of okay. Int arg. Int arg method. Int arg method. Okay. Now see these two methods. Can we say these two methods are overloaded methods? Can we say or not? See these
Yeah.
points.
Yes, sir.
Method name should be same. In all the methods should be written
Same
in
class.
same Java class and
Different
different argument
argument.
types. See now, different arguments means what? Number of arguments also we can consider. Sequence of
Sequence.
arguments also we can consider. Types of arguments also we can consider. See here, this is what? Zero argument. This is what? One argument. So here what? Number of arguments we are considering. The first
Yes.
point.
Yeah.
And so while considering number of arguments, so this is what? Okay, different argument types are not. Here, zero argument. Here, int argument. So now these two methods have to be what? Overloaded methods. Hello?
Yeah. Yeah.
Clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, in the same way, okay. Okay, fine. I will write here, guys. Okay. So now let me close this. Okay. I'm writing one more method here only. Now I'm writing what? Public. Okay. Public. So now let me take int display method. Okay. Here I'm taking what, guys? Int x, comma, int y. Int x, comma, int y. Okay. So now system.out.println of what? Okay. System.out.println. Int, comma, int arg method. Something is fine. Int arg method. Okay. Now if you see display method, right? These are what? How many methods we have? Three methods we have within the test class, right? Now if you see all the three methods having same name, method name, right? All the three methods having what? Same method name. Now if you see different argument types, right? Different argument types are not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here, this is zero argument. This is what? One argument.
Single.
So here what?
Two argument.
Two arguments. So now the first point, number of arguments. Okay, while considering different argument types, what is the first point? Number of arguments also we can take. Here what? Number of arguments is considering. Okay, we are considering what? Number of arguments. Here two number of arguments. Here one number of argument. Here zero number of argument. Understand? So now
Yes.
these three methods we can say overloaded methods are not.
Overloaded.
Yes, sir. Overloaded.
Clear? Fine. So now the next one. So here what is the second point, guys? Sequence of arguments. So now I'm taking here int. Okay, float f, float y. Int x, float y, guys. Fine. I'm removing these two methods. We cannot remove or else. Okay. So let me cross these. Okay. Don't consider these two guys. Okay, we're removing. Let's assume these two methods are removed from test class. Now, how many methods we have? This method I have. In the same way, I'm writing one more method. Fine. Public. Here what? Let me write void. So same display method. Okay. Here what? Float. Okay. Float x.
Int y.
Okay. Float x int y. So now system.out.println of system.out.println of what guys here? Float,
int.
comma, int, okay, arg methods. Something. Fine? Arg method. Now I'm closing this one. Now you can say, tell me now, these two methods, can we say overloaded methods?
Yeah, overloaded.
Yes, sir.
Take
Overload.
your
Right.
answer.
So now these two methods also we can say what guys? Overloaded methods. How? See now
Take your
display.
answer.
Method names are same. Right. Now all these two methods where we have written within the same Java class. Right. Now if you see these two methods, now considering different argument types. Here what? Which point? Sequence of arguments. See here the first method int float. Right. The second method float int. Clear? Now, which part we have to consider? Sequence of arguments. The second one, sequence of arguments are different or not here in the two methods.
Yes.
The first method sequence is what? Argument type sequence int float. The second method, what is the sequence of argument types? Float int. So definitely these two methods are different argument types, right? Because the sequence of arguments are different, then we can consider what? Different of argument types. These two methods having what? Different of argument types. So now, if any, in Java class, if two methods having same name with different argument types means what guys? Overloaded methods.
Oh.
Hello? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone. Okay?
Yeah, clear.
So now this point also completed. Okay. Now we will go for next in the same Java class. Okay. Here I'm writing. So now I'm writing what guys? Public void. Okay. Display. Okay. Int x. Already we discussed this one. Okay. Let me write int a. This is what guys? System.out.println of system.out.println of int arg method. Int arg method. Fine. Int arg method. So now I'm taking what? One more method. Let me take some space, guys. Okay. So now I'm taking what? One more method. Public void display. Understand? Here what I'm taking? Float. Float y. Float b or else. Okay. So now here what? System dot I think we cannot remove. Fine. That I will remove later. System.out.println of. So what is here? I'm writing float type, the float arg method. Float arg method, guys. Okay. Float arg method. Now you tell me. Now these two methods, public void display and public void display. This is int argument. This is float argument. So can we say these two methods are overloaded methods?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now here what? Two methods having same name. Here also display. Here also display. These two methods are there where in the same Java class, right? Now, if you say different argument types, right? So in the different argument types, which point we have to consider here? Types of arguments are different, right? See here, types of arguments. The first
Yes,
method argument is what? Int. The second method argument is what? Float.
float.
So you can say, we can say these two methods are overloaded methods or not. We can
Yes, sir.
happily say these two methods are overloaded methods.
Overloaded.
Fine. Right, guys?
Yeah, fine.
Yes, sir. Fine.
So now let me close the class bracket here. Okay. Now the methods here, see how many methods we have. Okay. Now you can remove this class also. See here, public void display method. This is what? Zero argument. Public int display, int x. Okay. Right? Int x. So this method we have to remove. Okay. Okay. Let close this. Okay. Don't consider these two methods. Now consider these four methods. Now, if you say these four methods are what? Overloaded methods. Am I right or wrong?
Yeah, right.
These
Yeah.
four methods are what? Overloaded methods. So the first method is what? Display int float. The second method also what? Display float int. Now the third method is what? Display int. The next fourth method is what? Display float. Now all these four methods you can say overloaded methods are not, guys.
Yeah,
Clear? Guys, clear or not?
Yeah, clear.
Yeah, clear.
Yeah. So I think hope you people understand these 4 points now. Overloading. Okay. So what is overloading? So what are the rules we have to follow while writing overloading methods? This left part you clear, right?
Yeah, clear.
Okay. So now we will go for what? Some examples. Okay. So now let me. Okay. So now where we can write directly in here. Fine. So now here we will write. I'm writing one more class here. Okay. Java. Fine. Now tell me class. What is the class name? Overloading. Okay. Class name itself overloading, guys. Fine. So now, here you tell me which method you want me to write? First one, public.
Okay.
Public void
Void display.
display method only, na? Okay, fine. Display method. Okay, this is what? Zero argument.
Zero.
Okay, so zero argument. Here what? System dot
System.
out dot println. Let me admit him. System dot out dot println. Okay, so here what? No arg method.
Yeah, okay.
Fine. This was no argument method. Let me copy the same methods here. Right.
Yes.
Okay. So now here I'm taking what?
Int
A. Okay. Here what? Int arg method. Okay. So here what I'm taking?
Float.
Float B. Okay. Float arg method. Fine. Fine or not?
Yeah,
Okay.
fine.
Yes,
So
sir.
now here what? I'm taking public static void main. Okay. The public static void main string args. Fine. So in the string args, what I'm doing, I'm creating object of class overloading, right?
Yes.
Overloading. It is what? Let me
No.
write over. Something, right? New
Overloading.
overloading. L should be capital, right? Class. The naming conventions.
Yes.
Remember. Okay. Overloading. So now here over
Over
dot
dot
display.
display.
Okay, over dot display. Here. So which method we'll call, guys?
No arg
Over dot
method.
display method means no arg methods, right? Here, no
Yes.
arg. So no. See, you can say how can these three methods. Okay, what kind of methods these three guys? Overloaded methods, right? See here, methods names are same. All the methods we have written within the same Java
Same
class. And if you see the different
Different
argument, if you see the
types.
argument types here, what? Different argument. This is 0 argument. This is one int argument. This is float argument. So definitely we can say all these three methods are what? Overloaded methods, right? Now when you call over.display, which argument, which method will execute? No arg method, right? The first one, no arg. Clear?
Yeah.
So now after that, if I call
Over dot
over.display
value 10.
10.
10, so then which method will call?
In the
Int
Inter.
arg, right? So now over dot
10.
display
10.5.
10.0.
10.0 10.0 f. We have to prefix f, right? Otherwise it should be what? Double. By
Double.
default is double.
Yes.
Here what?
Float.
Float arg.
Float arg method, right? So now let me save it. We'll see the output how save as, right? Polymorphism. Here what? Let me write
Overloading.
overloading. Okay. Overloading, right? Let me write capital letter also. Fine. I think it's fine. Overloading, right? I'm saving. So now if you go here, Java C, what guys here? Overloading. O capital, O small guys. O capital I have given or O small? Let me write. Overloading.java. Yeah, fine. Compilation completed.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Right now, Java overloading.
Loading.
Right? Java overloading. L capital, I think. Class name. L capital, right?
Yes.
Java overloading. Now see, no arg method, int arg method, float arg method. Fine.
Yeah,
Okay. So now I'm taking one more method, guys. I'm taking one more method here. Okay. So now here what? Int A I'm taking. Okay. Int A I'm taking. Now you tell me all these four methods are overloaded methods or not?
Yeah, overloaded.
Yes, sir. Overloading.
Overloaded.
Overloaded methods. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
Right. Okay.
Yes.
So now here over dot
Display dot.
over
Display.
dot display of first is what? Int
10
10
grammar. 10.0.
10.9.
10.5 f. Fine.
Float
Now
arg.
saving.
Int float.
Okay. Yeah, output will be int float. Fine. So now here what? Compilation overloading.java. Compilation successful. When you run this one, Java overloading float arg method. Okay?
We
Yeah.
didn't check.
In the float arg.
Okay. Fine. Guys. Okay. So here what? Int comma float. Float arg methods. Fine. So
Yeah,
now,
fine.
no. Okay. Up to now, fine, guys. Okay. So now, now I'm giving the over dot, okay, over dot display of, okay, display of a carry a, right? Tell me what is the output here?
Compile
Int
time error.
argument.
Compile time error. What is the compile time error?
No method found as
No method matched. Huh?
thing. Yes, sir.
Okay. But here, okay,
No,
we are
int
not
argument.
getting any compile time error.
Int argument. Right?
So here, int arg method will be the output here.
Yes.
Okay. So why?
A mean
Let me show you. What, Vignesh?
yeah, correct name. Character name.
Character name? What
Int
character?
value.
Here what? What is the output?
Int
Int arg method. Understand, guys? Everyone. So what is the doubt you have? See here, over.display of A. So which character I am passing here? I mean, which argument type I am passing here? Character argument type I am
Character.
passing. Understand?
Yes.
Character argument type I am passing. Okay. But here, even I am passing character argument type. So which method it is executing? Which method is executing here?
Int
argument.
argument.
Int argument. Why int argument method is executing?
Int is the
It
last.
is taking character value.
Uh, hmm.
No, sir, I'm not
So,
clear.
okay. So this is called what, guys? Automatic promotion in overloading. Okay. This is what? Automatic promotion in overloading, guys. Okay. Now, see, already I asked you, remember one diagram I have written, right?
Yeah,
Automatic promotion diagram. Okay.
Yes.
So what is the diagram? Okay. Let me draw here one more time.
Byte.
Okay. So now here
Byte.
I'm writing what, guys? The diagram, guys. Automatic
Promotion.
within data types. Okay. So now what is that? So that's what I asked you. Remember this one, but no one is
Yes.
not remembering, it seems. Fine.
Byte.
So now first one, byte. Okay. So after that,
Int.
short.
Short.
Okay. So here what? Byte short. Here char.
Char.
Okay. Now here
Int.
int. Okay. So now this is what? Okay. Now after that, what, guys?
Long.
Okay. Int long
Float. Float.
float
Double.
double. Right? Fine. So now int. Right. Now here what? This is what? Float. Okay. Here what? Double. So this is the promotion, right? Okay. Byte short char int long float double. Means what? The byte data type automatically promoted to int type. right?
Okay.
Automatically promoted to what? Int type. Okay. No, let me write this. Fine. So now, char type automatically promoted to whom? Int type. So the int type automatically promoted to long, and long automatically promoted to float, and float automatically promoted to double. Okay, here what? If you see the data types, sizes, byte is means 1 byte, char is what? 2 byte, short is what?
4 bytes.
2 byte, int is what? 4 bytes, right?
4
Long
bytes.
is 8 bytes, float is 4 bytes, double is what? 8 bytes. So already I told you here, but float is 4 bytes, long is 8 bytes. Then how can you assign long data type value to float data type? Already we discussed, guys. Please remember. Okay. So no. So this is what automatic promotion of, okay, within the data types. Clear? Everyone. So now, so this is what, guys, automatic promotions. Okay. So the byte type automatically promoted to short type. Okay. The short type automatically promoted to int type. The char type automatically promoted to int type. Understand? For int type automatically promoted to long type. So this is what automatic promotion within the data types. Okay. This diagram you have to remember. Now come to here, guys. So where this, right? This is our Java program. Now see here what? Over dot display of A, right? So which data type, which value I am passing here? Argument value, char value,
Chars.
right? So to match this char value, do we have any method with the same argument type here, char data type here? We don't have any such method, right? Now in the overloading, what will happen? You know, if the method is okay, if the same method is not matching, then compiler will not throw any error, guys. So what compiler will do? Compiler will not throw any error immediately. Please remember this point. This is very, 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 very important. In the method overloading, okay, if the argument value, okay, if the matched argument value related, if the passed argument value related method is not matched, then compiler will not throw any immediate error messages. So what it will do? First of all, compiler will promote that argument type to next level. Understand? Next level automatically compiler will promote. Okay. So after that, again, what it will be, it will do, the compiler will verify with that promoted argument type related any method matched or not. Like that, it will verify. If any particular method is matched, then that method will execute. Even though if that particular method is not matched, after promoting that argument type, immediately compiler will not throw any error, guys. What it will do? Again, it will promote that argument type to next argument type. That value, it will automatically promote to what? Next argument type. Okay. Again, with that argument type, do you have any method matched? Like that, it will verify. If any method is matched, then that method will execute. Or else, what it will do? Again, it will promote that argument type to next level. Okay. How it will do? Until, okay, until checking
Matches.
all the methods, guys. Understand? So even though if no method is matched, then only it will throw compile time error. Understand? Let me explain you one more time. Okay. Listen carefully, guys. Okay. Now, in overloading method resolution, how it will do, you know, if there is no method with exact match, okay, we will not get any compile time error immediately. First, compiler promotes that argument to the next level and checks whether the matched method is available or not. If method matched is available, if the matched method is available, then it will be considered. Otherwise, compiler promotes that argument once again to the next level. This process will be continued until all the possible promotions. Still, if the matched method is not available, then only we will get compile time error. So, okay, this is called what, guys? Automatic promotion in overloading. Clear, everyone?
Yeah, yes.
Many people. Okay. Now, see here. So what I mean to say here, now over dot display of what? Char value I am passing. So now with char data value, do we have any representing this char value? Do we have any char data type? The char data type, char argument type method here?
No, sir.
We have any? No method, right? So this is 0 argument, this is int, this is float, this is int and float. Clear?
Right,
So
sir.
now,
Yes.
so now it will see. So there is no matched method with this, okay, char value argument type. So now compiler, what it will do in the overloading, compiler, it will not throw any compile time error. So automatically compiler will promote this argument to next level. So this char, what is the next level?
Int.
Int. See here, for char, what is the next level? Int.
Int.
Okay, now it will verify. Okay, do we have any method which is matching int argument, okay, value here? Do we have any such type of method here? Yes, we have. This is the
Yes.
method, right? Here it is taking int argument. Now this method will execute. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes.
Here.
Sir, if
Yes,
we
sir.
comment this int argument method, what it will take, sir?
Oh, what? Wait. Okay. So this is clear or not?
Yes, sir, it
Yeah,
is
clear.
Clear, right? So now, so see saying, let me remove this method. Okay. Let me execute first. Already we executed, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, already we executed. So now this is what, let me write here. Which one? Int arg.
Int arg.
Okay, this is what?
Int float.
In the float.
Int comma float.
Float.
Fine. So now, so what I'm doing now? Okay, I'm removing this method, or else I'm commenting. I cannot comment like this. Huh? Okay, let me comment like here. I'm commenting, guys, this method. Fine. So now you tell me which method will execute now?
Float argument.
Float arg method, right?
Even
What?
for int display,
After long.
so it will work for float.
Oh, that's what, no?
Yes,
So I
sir.
think you are not part of my previous classes. Already we
Yes, sir.
discussed all these things, Vani. Okay, I
I
don't know
will
why
go
these
to
people are
video.
not telling. Already we discussed while discussing literals, while discussing what do you call data types. Already we discussed these things. Okay. So now, so here what? Byte, short, char, int, long, float, double. This is the automatic promotion diagram, right? This diagram you have to remember, guys, forever. Okay. So now, if you see here in the example, here what we are passing? Char value. Now with the char data type, okay, this is what? Char argument value. Do we have any method which is taking char argument type here? We don't have, right? So now compiler will not throw any compile time error immediately in the overloading, right? So now what it will do? Compiler automatically it will promote this argument value to next level, right? So now char, after char, what is the next level? Int. Okay, now it will verify. Do we have any method which is taking int argument type? Do we have any method within the class? No, we don't have. We commented, right, this one. So even though compiler will not throw any compile time error immediately. After that, what again it will do? It will promote next level. Now after int, what is the next level? Float.
Long.
After int, what is the next level? Float.
Float.
Right? No, float. So do we have any method which is taking float argument type? Yes, we have a method, right? So now this method will execute. Okay. So now let me show you. Java C overloading.java compilation successful and Java overloading, right? So now see float arg method. Can you see? What is the output here? Float arg method. Hello. Please
Yes,
respond, guys.
Yes.
Yes,
What
sir.
is the output here? Float arg method. Working or not? Automatic promotion.
Yeah.
Working.
This is called what, guys? Automatic promotion overloading. Okay. The same thing you can okay. You can apply into remaining examples also. So like that it will promote. If no method is matched, then only it will throw error, guys. Now, let me comment this one also. Let me comment this one. I'm commenting this one. Fine. So what will happen?
Compile.
Okay. Do we have any method matched? Even automatically it will promote char to int. Okay. There is no method. Char method.
There is no
Char data type also there is no method match. And even int data type. Okay. Int argument type also there is no method match. And even float. After int what? Float, right? It will automatically promote here. Okay. Let me. Yeah. Now see, float automatically promote to what? Oh. Okay, int. After int what? Long, right? So do we have any long argument type method matched here? No.
No.
Next automatically promotes to what? Float. Do you see anywhere here? No. Right? After what it will promote? Double. Double argument type matched method we have here? No.
No.
Right? So all the promotions are completed or not? Even though there is no method match. So that time what it will do, compiler? Hey boss, already I am helping a lot. I am trying to promote your value into next level. Even though you are not writing any method match, then what I can do, I'm simply throwing compile time error. Please see. Okay. So like that, compiler will throw an error message. Now see now. Let me execute this one. Correct. Okay, guys. So now let me find this. Okay. So now let me save it first. Control S. So now Java C overloading.java. See what it is saying? Compile time error. Okay. See. Right. Java C overloading Java. No suitable method found for display int. Okay. See, automatically it will promote it. Right. So each promotion level, it is checking and displaying error message. See how intelligent compiler. No suitable method found for display int. First it will promote to what? Int type. Okay, checking whether the same method is matched or not. No matched. So now that error message it is displaying. Method overloading display is not applicable. Actual and formal argument. Okay, see all these things. There's no suitable method found for display float. Okay, after int what? It will promote to float. Okay, next char. Understand? So like that, it is promoting. Clear? Everyone. Can you see the error messages? Okay. So like that, finally what we will get? Compile time error. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Here we are calling, right? Display method we are calling, right? So there is a display method. Now, display of 10 we are calling. So do we have any method 10 int?
No.
Here first what? Int right? We are passing int value, right?
Yes.
So do we have any method int? No. So that's what? First error message for int here. This one. No suitable method found for display int. Okay. So next one. Here what?
10.5.
Float.
10.0.
10.0f. So
Yes.
do we have any float matched method? No.
No. That's right.
Right? So that's what we will get what? Float related error message. Where? Here. Okay. Float arc. Here. This method. No suitable method found for display float. Okay. Next one, char. No suitable method found for display char. Next one is char, right? For this method, there is a matched method. For this call, there is a matched method. This one. Clear, everyone?
Yeah, clear.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay. So like this, it will work, guys. Okay. Like this, it will work. Okay. So now, what is the time now? 10:30. Yeah. What time we started? 9, right? Okay. So this is what, guys? Automatic promotion. Okay. The overloading. So tomorrow we will see a few more things in overloading. Okay. Later we will go for overriding. Or you want me to explain those things also now? Shall we go for next? Or tomorrow we will see, or you want me to explain now itself? You tell me, guys.
No.
Shall we complete now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Overloading things.
yeah.
I think definitely it will take half an hour, guys.
Okay.
Okay, tomorrow we will see. Okay, it's already 1.5 hours, right? So tomorrow we will see. So hope you people understand what is overloading, right? What is automatic promotion in overloading. Okay, you want me to write? Let me copy this example here. Fine. Now let me place here. Okay, so fine. So now if you see, let me write one more method then. Okay, let me explain few things then. Okay, let me explain first. Now see, now public void, okay, public void. So display method I'm writing. Okay, here what I'm taking, object. See here, okay, object obj. This is what reference type. Okay, system.out.println. This is what object arg method. Okay, in the same way I'm taking one more method, guys. What is going here? I'm taking string as an argument. Okay, string. Yes, I'm taking. So this is what string arg method. Okay, string arg type method. So here what object arg type method. Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Okay. So now here let me comment this 10 float. Okay. So now if you see here, so these methods also what? How many methods we have? Display method, display integer float pay, and display object, display string. All these are what? Overloaded methods. Different argument types, right?
Yes,
Within the
sir.
same Java class, right? So now, see now I'm calling. Okay. So let me comment this one also. Okay. So now here what I'm doing, I'm creating object of overloading class here. Over dot display, right? Over dot display of here what I'm passing Santosh. Which method will execute, guys? Which method will execute? String type. So already string type we have, right? So there is a match type right here, match type based method, right? Okay. Now I'm saving. So I'm saving here. I'm compiling. Java C overloading. See, compilation successful. So Java overloading. See what it is getting? String arg type method. right? String archetype method. See output here. String archetype method. Come on, guys. Fine. So now here I'm passing over dot. Okay, over dot display method. Okay, here what I'm passing new string buffer. Okay, new string buffer of Santosh. Understand? New string buffer of Santosh. Here, which type of argument I'm passing? This is string type. Right? In this method call, I'm passing what? String type. But here, which type of argument I'm passing? String buffer type. Now you tell me what is the method now? What is the output now? Which method will execute for this method call?
Object argument type.
Object argument, right? In Java, for every Java class, what is the super class, guys? Object.
Object class.
Right? Here what? Object is parent
Object.
class. For this one, string buffer class. So now compiler will verify new string buffer. Do we have any matched type based method? Do we have any matched type based method here, which is taking string buffer as an argument type here? No. So that time what it will do, compiler, it will check, do we have any parent type of okay, string buffer, parent type of argument type matched method are there available or not? Like that it will verify. Do we have any such type of method? Yes, we have. What is the parent class? String buffer, object class. Now this method will execute. Understand? I think already we discussed, guys, this thing. I don't know why you people are not remembering. So now Java C overloading.java Java overloading. See object archetype method. Can you see the output?
Yes.
Object
Yes.
archetype method. Okay. Object archetype method. Now let me go a few more things here. So now here what? Okay. Now see display. I'm writing Control C. See. Now here I'm writing what? Float. Okay. Float A int B. See, float A int B, guys. Understand? Float A and int B. So now considering these two methods, okay, float A and int B. Now, okay, let me comment this one. Even let me comment this one also. We see, right? So now, see here. Now here I'm calling over dot display. Okay, display of what I'm passing, int value and float value. Understand?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
understand.
Tell me now.
The same argument.
What is the output now? I'm asking what is the output now? Here I'm passing 10, 10. Tell me now.
It will take int float argument method.
Int float.
Yes, sir.
Why int float? Already
Yeah.
float int also there, right? Here, see, what are the values I'm passing? Both are int. Over dot display 10 and 10. Both are what? Int value. Now, if you see this, what do you call in the above class? I mean, in Java class, we have two methods, right? Display, display, int float, float int. Understand? Huh? What is the output here? Okay, here we will get what, guys? Compile time error. Okay, why compile time error? We will get ambiguity first. See what it is saying. Reference to display is ambiguous. Over dot display 10 of 10 int float. Both method display int float in overloading and method disfloat float int is overloading match. Understand? So why Why it is ambiguous? Automatically, you know, right? See here, display int float. So what is the values we are passing? Both are int, right? Now first value int. So now int already there. Okay. So next one 10. This is what int, right? So int means, so if there is no method match, automatically it will promote to what? Next level. What is the next level? Float.
Float.
This is fine. But even this one also same, right? See now 10. 10 is what? Float. But this is what? Int. What is the next level of int? Float. Matching. Right? Now this is what? 10. 10 means what? Int. Matching. Am I right or wrong? These two methods also matching.
Yes, sir.
So that's what compiler don't know which method has to execute. So that's what it is saying, what? Reference to display is ambiguous. Over dot display 10 of 10 in 10 float. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Everyone. Okay. So like that's what automatic promotion, if you take, okay, more number of arguments, it won't work, please. Understand? Only it will work what? If you take one argument, then only this automatic promotion will work. Exactly. See, here also it is working. But what we are getting finally, ambiguity error we are getting. Clear? Okay? No. Now
Yes, sir.
I'm taking like this, guys. Now see. Okay. So now, if I comment the first one, let me comment this method. Okay? I'm commenting this method. See, here I'm discussing different cases. Okay? Different cases I'm discussing, guys. You have to remember all these things. These are very important in interview, and as well as if you have any written test, okay, for your what do you call interview. So that time also it will be very useful. Even OCGP exam certification also, this is very important. Okay, so I'm telling different cases. Okay, so now, so this is one more case. So now you tell me power dot display 10 and 10. Here what? Public void display int a float b, right? So these are the methods we have. Tell me what is the output now?
In float
Understand?
argument method.
10 10. I'm passing 10 10. Int float argument, right?
Yes.
So that's
Yes, sir.
what you're expecting. Let me compile. So Java C overloading.java, right? Compilation successfully. Fine. Int float. Okay. Understand or not? So here
Yes.
also what it is taking? Automatic promotion, right? What happening here? Here also automatic promotion is happening, right? Here 10 10. So the first, what is the first value? 10.
Int.
It's what? Int. Fine. Next, what is the value? Int. So int promote automatically will promote to what? Float. Yes, there is a matching method. This method will execute. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So now I'm writing one more case, guys. I'm writing one more case. Now public, okay, void, so same display method. Okay, public void display method. Here what I'm doing, int a I'm taking, okay, or else object obj I'm taking, and after that here what I'm taking, float f I'm taking. Fine. So now here system.out.println of, let me copy this. System.out.println of, first one is what? Object, and second one is what? Float arg type method. Okay. Now here I'm calling this method. Okay, I'm commenting this guys. Fine. So now here I'm calling power dot display method. Okay. So first of all, I'm having what? New string buffer. Okay. New string buffer of Java I'm passing. And here I'm passing what? 10. Tell me what is the output here. Which method will execute now?
Object float argument type.
Object float argument. Okay. See now. Java C, overloading.java, compilation successful. And finally, Java overloading, object float arg type match. Understand, guys? Here also what happening? Automatic promotion. So here what? Subclass. Right? This is what? String buffer. If there is no method matched with the same type, then automatically it will promote to whom? Parent type. So do we have parent type? Yes. What
Yes,
is the
sir.
parent type? Object.
Object.
Object
Okay.
type.
This argument is matched. Now, coming to the second argument. What is here? 10. Int.
10.
Do we have any int argument type matched method? No.
No.
So what is the next level? Float. Okay. So next, what is the next level? Long. So do we have any long type matched method here? No.
No.
So even though we are not getting what? Compile time error. So compiler, what it will do? Again, it will promote to next level. What is the next level after long? Float.
Float.
Yes, we have a matched method or not? Yes. So then this method will execute. So here what is the output, guys? Object. Object comma float arg type method. Understand, guys? So
Yeah.
this is what overloading and automatic promotion in overloading. Hope you people clear. Okay. So
Yeah.
let me copy this and let me add into your notes, guys. Here I'm adding. Right? What happened here? Fine. So now let me copy. Fine. This is one more example.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think we almost completed overloading. Only one thing is left. What is the time now? 10:55. Okay. So we will discuss that one tomorrow session, guys. Okay. So we need to show, I need to show one more example on vararg method. Okay. Vararg method in overloading. So tomorrow we will see that one. Once that is completed, we will go for what? Okay. Runtime polymorphism means overriding. Clear?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So hope you people understand what is polymorphism. How many types of polymorphism we have, right? In real world. Okay. Here, see the real world examples also we discussed, right? So now in the technical in Java, okay. So here what method? Okay, method will participate in polymorphism with different forms, right? So this is what compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. Two types of polymorphism we have, right? So all these things we discussed, guys. Okay. So now what is overloading? What is overriding? Right? So overloading means what? These are the points we have to consider. So to define that points here, what we have taken one example. Okay. And even automatic promotion also we discussed. Right? Come
Yeah.
on. So that
Yes, sir.
automatic promotion you have to remember, guys. The automatic promotion in overloading. Okay. You have to remember. Fine.
Yeah. Fine.
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow we will see the other topics of polymorphism.